Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we will see how to reset root password in RHEL 7. The reason could be anything. Maybe you want to simply change your password, or maybe you are using your password since a long time, or any of your colleague may know the password and you want to keep it to yourself. It could be anything. So we will see how to reset root password. In our previous video, I have shown how to create cron job in RHEL machine, and if you haven't watched that video, I'll put the link into the description along with other links. You can go and watch them. I hope you will like those videos, and if you like those videos, click the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get more such videos, because your support will motivate me to make more videos, and I'll be coming up every day with these type of videos, so stay tuned. Alright then, without further ado, let's get directly into our today's practical. So this is what you see are the steps that are required to reset a root password. So first what we have to do is restart the system. So I will restart my system. So you have to interrupt the reboot process with typing E. So I have stopped the boot process, and let's see what next we have to do. So after stopping the boot process, you have to look for this word, that is Linux 16, and go to the end of that line and just type a space and enter rd.break. So I will look for that word Linux 16. Okay, so I found this, and I have to go to the end of this line. I will use the end button in the keyboard. Okay, the space and rd.break. Now after rd.break, we have to press Ctrl plus X key so that you get a shell to type the command. As you can see, now we have a shell to type the command. So let's see what we have to do next. Now we will mount, remount and read write this /sysroot directory. Remounting means changing the option that control operations on file system while it is mounted. So don't get confused, it does not mean unmounting and mounting again. Then ch root, the same directory sysroot. Ch root, I'll explain, it is an operation that will change the apparent root directory for the current running process and also its children. Now that you can see you have a sh shell and you change the root password. passwd root. Now you can enter the root password whatever you want to set. Okay, so I have created my new password, and what do we have to do next? Touch auto relabel, touch slash dot auto relabel. So what this command will do, it will create a hidden file named .auto relabel under root directory, so that on next boot SE Linux will detect information file and relabel all file on that system with correct SE Linux context. So that is the reason it is used. After doing that, we just have to enter exit and exit twice so that it will continue its booting process normally. Now that my system is rebooted, I will check and verify whether the password has been changed or not. With my new password, yes, it is successfully changed. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get more these type of videos, because I'll be coming daily with such type of videos, so stay tuned. Okay, then see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.